if I was holding a position that allows me to fully, you know, do the function that we are. Because by this time, NPP ministers and half at the remand.
Why no why?
Baby.
Like why no?
Half.
Yes, half. No, asking
so
why no?
Ghanaians will judge any appointee of the NDC.
So it's just to confirm, sir. Are you telling me by that analogy, sir, the Attorney General is not doing well?
Me say, if I was in that position, it doesn't matter what it takes. You see, people are in position. Me, I'm a person of character.
Yes.
And Obi, you know that I don't please people.
Yes.
When I have to do it, I'll do it.
Yes.
So, and I won't change my nature for anything, anybody.
Okay.
I'm telling you that if I was given a position that allows me,
like an Attorney General.
No, there are other positions. There are other positions. Yeah, Attorney General. By this time, half of NPP ministers will be in remand. Minimum. Minimum. They will be in remand. And I still hold to that. I am still saying that what happened to this country was not natural. It is a convoluted effort of people with intent to defraud, and they actually defrauded this country. And that NDC should build all the roads and the bridges. If we have not been able to give justice to the people of Ghana as far as President Akufo Addo's regime is concerned, we have a question to answer.
So does it mean, sir, still now you have a lot of work to do when it comes to causing
I've come to appreciate the difficulty. Say one, the difficulty from the special prosecutor, which is a neutral office. I've come to appreciate that.
Do you see it as a neutral office?
It is supposed to be, at least, NDC in Adano. If they appointed Mustafa to be a special prosecutor, I'm sure that Nkamechi will be about because you are now judging to see. So we needed a neutral person. So Kisi should have acquitted himself to be the watchdog of the nation. Say Mustafa Namiye Bibi, he should arrest me irrespective of who I am. But I don't see that happening. So I also see it said the government is trying to make do with the rule of law.
I see.
So whilst you believe say Obi is involved in a crime or have been alleged to have committed some crime, and running in a juma and said now the time one yash crown here, you have national security for no more but two, no more that be yanasa and yamra. So anybody who is found to have done something wrong should be taken through due process.
But so where does the difficulty lies? Abraham ran a year, Juma. Sem ran or honomo. Nasa emrane ma or quite say Obia di Bonnet, Chisani Pacrono, Panico Jran Brano, Nam Brano, any in India. Where lies the difficulty? The Attorney General, any other more solely into that investigative body, and if you were appointed as one of them, you were going to do that.
I've said, sir, any appointee who fails this country will be solely held liable for it. Because if Ghanaians, I'm telling you that the NDC is committed to ensuring that we get justice for the people of Ghana. Until who know yes, I appointee no one yes, I do Una odini ebebo.
I see.
Yem fa yetin kwaje. Will not defend.
But appointee no represent a political party.
No.
Like for instance,
yes.
Ken Ofori Atta, all linked to the NPP party.
Yes.
All linked to the previous government that is another Danko Akufo.
I'm not linking to it. He is the keeper of our public purse.
Yes.
Yes.
And of course, NPP gave birth to him.
Yes. Now I'm waiting. Say that US for no be extradition. No, you be mobilize a for no pensioners for no one ya collapse one banks. Nyina ba ko gina airport. You be gini who. So whether he comes, he's in trouble. He doesn't come, he's in trouble.
Who's the first man?
Oka omra opa manoma. So obeka bridge ho. But the NPP will certainly take responsibility for this.
Absolutely.
Yes. So
it's Nyami Adoma more elections. I mean, a dear message now.
I don't have a message for them. But I've just asked you, sir. Have you heard any Ghanaian wishing NPP well for tomorrow's activity? Do you have that record? If you had a record that NPP for you wish you well, then I can, on behalf of the General Secretary, even though I haven't spoken to him because we are press conference. I can say, sir, oh MPP, we are wishing you well. Which among the 5 am I going to wish well tomorrow? Ufa Bawumia, what will you do when you become president? Or say, I'll take people to Israel. I'll take people to Israel. Kennedy Agyapong say, Kwabena Agyapong say, I'm the repository of party history. So make me president.
Brandon Champong.
Your friend there. Just say, who among these 5 am I going to wish well? They will go back to Congress. I see that happening. Because by the time their party will settle down, if they had experience, they would have known that there is a reason why you organize from below.
I see.
So that by the time you organize to the top, you would have been able to deal with the suffocations, the distress, and the discontents. And when your party settles down, the dynamics changes. So what they are doing, you have a flag bearer. By the time when a party never reorganization, they don't want that flag bearer because they know that reality have set in.
I see.
So how am I going to wish them well?
Interesting.
Now, we move. President Akufo Addo tia by munina. Now more heavy. Adichum Minister, Dr. Brian, a Minister, Kennedy Agyapong, full beneficiary of President Akufo Addo's magnanimity. And 2, Kwabena Agyapong, there so no Okoba. But at the time when Omuopa, at some point he was advisor to Bawumia. So he contributed to Bawumia telling lies to the people of this country. Whatever Bawumia is today, Kwabena Agyapong must solely be held jointly liable for it. Because he was in the campaign of Bawumia campaign. So he cannot turn around to say, because they have lost power, to make him president. So what I say?
Yeah.
Bawumia didn't have to see MPP don't need him. Kennedy
MPP for in here.
Oh, what do you say? They will go back to Congress. Mark it today.
No, but Mamintia say going back to Congress as in say
they will go and elect new flag bearer after tomorrow. Mark it.
Flag bearer
because what they have done is a miscarriage of the proper ways to organize the party. Captain Ubufu na me basisi ya. You will show some muscles, but make a power chona mesaba bi mu. The dynamics changes.
All right.
And when the dynamics change, the commitments are different. I'm saying to you, sir, if you have experience in party organization, you will know, sir, MPP are we are omukoyeno. You will know, sir, they will come back to revisit. And now because say MPP needed a chairman like General Shedin Ketia.
Yeah.
If chairman general was MPP chairman, first we will suspend Nanado from the party. 2, we will suspend all his ministers from contesting any election eminent upon this in the MPP to give sanity to the party. 2, they will reverse these, their up, bottom, up.
1 year, little above 1 year. Kakrebi and Ababetoso. Now, Abaimu, we've seen and heard couple of people accusing Momonkofo, especially the regional district executives, maybe say they are deeply involved in one galamsey. Ama ebinumo honma yentimi mo mudi ebi wonu kra yebo mudi ni ade nanenam ho, and to the large extent omo afrese omo investigate the national organizer of your party.
Oh, what's a conversation with Abba?
I accept na maybe.
Na investigation what do you cry there?
Maybe say
yeah, come
yes. And so largely, ama the fight against the illegal mining, comparatively, and Sheda and Konenim to say expected, even though the minister is doing so well. What would you say about those allegations? I mean, some of your people are involved in galamsey.
I would say nothing, but we are preparing to defend the issue. Me say, Uncle Raymond where, and I saw no investigation. I am sitting here, I'm telling you that my brother is not doing too good at that. If you have contrary evidence, bring it out.
Okay.
And I'm saying that me kadebia as me Mustafa na makwa kodi to me na me kura na di bone expose me. Let me come and explain. What I say?
Yes.
Now, how did that allegation stop Galamsey? We have been very successful relatively in the fight against Galamsey. Galamsey nye NPP for nkwa na yo. Obia e bunsa ntrofo ikura ka ho bi. Obia nkrofo bebre a more appetite for good money. They are involved in it.
Yes, ntrofo.
But obia be a section of society, people who have appetite in mining, they are involved. Me, hey, I don't do mining because I don't need it. I don't want it. What I say. Two, we are in this now mining. There is a legal way to do mining.
Okay.
Illegal. You are as bad as the NPP person who have done it before. And the laws must deal with you without recourse to your party. Because Honorable Amakofibua is succeeding. Ministers are at Lands Ministry. Would have been rejoicing today. And now I can say, forest reserves, we have tried to secure those places. Consistently in the last 1 year, government have been fighting those who mine along the water bodies. And you've seen dismantling every week. MPP for better 8 years. And then every week, we dismantle one side or the other. But one better the Jubilee House of President Akufo Addo and his ministers became a conveyor belt on which Galamsey Ejijin President Mahama 2016 na obi nimse go de tu no forest krum hana enim obi ufri Asante na 2016 na wo tumi a ode ko forest sa wo kutu gold enya na na do na be ma akwan so obi ankoto no utu no Jáil tokro no to ha watu a we gold na wa Jáil tokro no uchenyi aban a esi tokro no
David.
So so we are doing our best to deal with those matters. Now, two, so we executive now could this happen. He doesn't bar you from contesting election until say it's been proven that you have been a criminal or you have done some sort of
sure.
and only a friend of criminal conduct. Party knows a they first way you. I have personally suggested to General Secretary saying my secretariat should open up a desk. We are minister now who misbehave in government. Members of the party should be able to petition on your conduct. Say your conduct constitute anti-party. Say now so we are MPU. Your documents should be sent to a disciplinary committee to judge your matter before you are given the opportunity to contest the election.
I see.
We won't have a situation where people will be in government, misbehave, we are now party in opposition, no asaba. Say you are trying to renew your mandate. Because you are a member of parliament, you are my ministry, now who misbehave against the party, we are. Also we are party, but it's anti-party behavior.
Interesting.
You must know the party that made you who you are. All of us in government, nobody is anybody without the party. Who feels that we are a year, go and contest independence and see if you can win election. So the party that have made you at all times, whether you are in government or you are out of government, it's your duty to prioritize the party.
Yeah.
At least give the party that attention. And it's a difficult thing dealing with party people. You now have to teach them how to relate to ministers, but you are leaders, so that is your job.
Yeah.
So the young minister no decide to say to media, it's about you, a small clique of people around you. Such a person should not be given an opportunity to contest anything in the party.
I see.
Because party no a year raga who you so no dampe nipa ne wom.
Yeah.
And when they have given you their power to be who you are, you should remember.
And so how far is that petition? General Secretary Jáil?
My petition have suggested they will go and discuss it at FEC and then we'll take that decision.
Oh, okay.
You take care, we will announce it. So if Mustafa Bande is doing something that is anti-party behavior, you should petition Functional Executive Committee.
I see.
Now, if your conduct constitutes anti-party behavior, the way we suspend ordinary members, you, the minister, you'll be suspended whilst you are still a minister.
You'll be suspended from the party?
Yes.
Whilst you are still a minister?
Exactly.
Interesting.
See, we are going to strengthen this party and hand it over to a generation that, will handle it. At our time, dear, I can assure you that this party will not be weak.
I see.
At all.
Very
because
well.
one more breath, Council of Elders in Penny Party, Penny Phone, one more here. And a two, a chilima, Gen Z's way, one more supaya and a juan or pioneer. They are expecting that we strengthen the party and allow the party to function in a way that complements the efforts of government. What do I say?
Yes.
So we will not sit and allow the party to go down.
Kwanya Akufo as a president, Akufo Addo as attorney general, Eddie Rawlings, any NDC appointees, a fast one. Senka Professor Mills aban by no komu bia ka Akufo Addo Ken Ofori Atta Finance Ministry aye ken Uko Bible say Ken Ofori Atta de bia no ahye white Finance Minister de bia o ko read budget no kuta Bible obe quote Bible class no akire de wumu me sure say bia otie onko bi Koronto fo ngoma etienum entichemudu Koronto fo ngoma etosumienu etienum entichemudu o say efise ye nyina begina Kristo atemufo akwanya nanim na obiara aye de oye ye ho ne bra ho aketua se eye papa ana abone enti Bible no akasa kra na endorse accountability.
Of course.
Kwame Pepra no ye finance minister under Rawlings kofo ba ye si yakwa ye rice bi quality grains Volta region ye si sika wie akoso na Kwame Pepra ye finance minister wono na authorize ye me yi sika me de koye se adwuma no ye kwache Kwame Pepra ye kodi Kwame Pepra sem ye de Kwame Pepra koto afiase mfie nan enyo no kwa Dr. Jesse Payanki eno mom ka dana budakpe no om nyina
Solomon
Victor Salome no ye deputy minister finance no abrochire obafie obedu kotoka ne che no BNI fortune no arrest warrant yesi BNI for on kwan ye che no nomre ne kokoshe mu so mo mani be kra na eden ye de ne court ye dinasem ye de ne kotu afiase okuwu afiase Victor Salome Ato Forson na oya finance minister Ken Ofori Atta eka say Ato Forson by hook or crook e was okoda fiase eye sudie kase aye de to Ajana 1 Ajana 2 eye Godfedame ni sleepless night onya nyina ye de
50/40.
Yes, make sure say Ato Forson there wouldn't be to a fiase
50/40.
Dr. Opuni ye de ne court 8 good years Loy judge oti adwamu a wodi Opuni asem etimi kogina campaign platform so kase for more for nana onyenuga Opuni petition say yensesa no a yesi da yensesa no noa ne be mu wodi wasem Kufo ba no kote Accra Fast Track High Court or a specialized court to prosecute NDC officials. Wo Jáil wo nyina wie no ana Fast Track Court no ogu no. Rawlings nankasa no ye president. Obwana deja stripping no ma fe de Rawlings nam Kotoka International Airport a enkrofo di ku mu kwa check no nso di mu bi na ne bag boni nchemu. That's the power of NPP, how they pay their political opponent. Tachuchikata. Yesi ya shushano. Tachuchikata wa brochiri. What is yesi ya shushano? Tachunwa nkasa no nwa fini pemu. Se Ghana me ma ye adwuma esi mebu akonta. Obedu Kotoka ne eche no. ye je ne passport gini bibia ye gusu e di asam no chachu kwat me asa ne passport man also a medical check up ye preventing amananko ko sisi e di chachu asam di ni tu afiase chachu akoyare wansawam ni asthma ba ntese wa ba oxygen sini so na oda hospital pam na abankaba egu ni nsa ya bo ni nsa dia bo empaduam na oxygen sini so chachuchi kata Kufo and NPP and Akufo Addo, this is their record. But Professor Mesbai, what did he see? Yahushi. And then NPP, Asabe Drumuswa, always they want to be treated different, special. Omoye special. Omoye nipa sin obia, omoye Ghana ni sin obia. Ken Ofori Atta. Wo ena obetina Ghana. First time in the history of Ghana. Finance Minister of Koto Bible akese ne o medin ahodo. Said no na make no. 2017 Ken Ofori Atta budget e dia na da so ya asempa. 2018 wasi adwuma pa. Wodi asempa ba. Asempa no ama na adwuma pa. 2019 wasi mpuntuo.
Wakore ni.
Sa Afenyo de year of road. Ebae.
Wa advance.
Yakwa animu mpuntuo mu. 2020 COVID-19 wasi enidaso. Yes, COVID kum krofo wiase, krofo wu nenso Ghana de enidaso because of Ken Ofori Atta. 2021 ajinkwa Akufo Addo budget adi Ghana for COVID nkunyan. Then 2022 yedi nkunim budget. Sa budget no ko ready wie ya oba. Ye line up Ministry of Finance adwumayefo nyina momugina kwana bankum ni fa. Omoma ni heroes welcome. Wakwa akwa ba.
Jimmy.
It's no monas omugina ho for 3 good hours. And your boy Ken Ofori Atta abaso. Na watimi achechire o man say ya. Amo maya dinkunim adum pempenso a yesi di waputa mana afia so nchiri so di bomu
be chire nkunim no mu
le be chire nkunim na nyina nkunim abotire mebo nkunim abotire
wose da
wabu ketim brafia wose womba na me yare me kosa me ho yade aba okoya wamba bio ena nkrofo so de wi a Ken Ofori Atta ye de se oba Ghana ahwe obo ndisi fo be mana wu afiase anaso obewe. Let's assume say Ken Ofori Atta ba yedna kwakoto afiase wawu sebi we nipa che Vito Salome. Ken Ofori Atta ye nipa sene DDEP domestic debt exchange program nko ano enmrafo ne kwakrofo pensioners over 800 of them including Kama pharmaceutical Mr. Agyapong. Over 800 of them died because of Ken Ofori Atta decision not to pay them. Men's Gold, over 300 of their members yamutu. And so Men's Gold o good Men's Gold adwuma na data bank sa go trading no mu yebi. Ukofa bank sector cleanup. When him crofo we here. Wonim di oba be ye onim se oba be hwe crofo a Ken Ofori Atta target wo mo. Wonim se omo ye middle income. Banking sector my form ye middle income. DDEP middle income.
Osim.
O say Men's Gold middle income. And to ono no so bibia hwa no kote eye transition. Me kumu na ma ye mo ayi. Into okun wi a samale na transition for omunya hu se obi a nsam obi awu area ha the next obekọ na transition for the billboard akwa akosi ho. We got you covered. Yes wachi to awu kura na say make money nin ono kwa single handedly it must several Ghanaians, hundreds, thousands of them ewu nin kwa no eso mbosin omo ana What be your finance minister? Wo buy no. The entire Ken Ofori Atta suro nyina bank number 1 the banking sector cleanup exercise. What target your competitors in the banking sector? Kofi Amoaben Bank at a point Ken Ofori Atta approach Kofi Amoaben some person on turn the bank and farm man. Or say on tongue. Who collapse papa bank and opportunity. O collapse Kofi Amoaben UT bank no. Oko some regions baby ane Kofi Amoaben oko takrade oko sunyane baby ane Kofi Amoaben UT bank e dey anu operate no e ho na Ken Ofori Atta data bank e koja no operate
ogu obi dia yere ndi
o se obi dia no ayo obi dia ye banking sector cleanup exercise yes here ka 9 billion. You ended up spending over 25 billion Ghana cedis solving a 9 billion cedi problem. You could have said me. Mobile de biano mekacha liability or more heritage from the banking sector cleanup exercise. But asset the man chere ba kumpo. Na bossa kan nyina to ho. Yes, Kwame Pepra as a finance minister. Eden in such a crata say me sika $20 million. Amia dia kwa ye rice project e voter region. Ye didn't to afiasi emfie 9. Ken Ofori Atta ultimately in such a crata say amia the Ghana for sika $97 million etu amena. Eda ha ono no mpese ye bebu no ho akonta oba bebu akonta.
Debbie.
My holding accountable. Because oye special.
COVID no kra wa mu akontam you.
Debbie on asa COVID expenditure. Say can say Attorney General catch say omo ye ho say forensic audit igusu aye twen. Utimi be running on my Ghana country down. Bosume mi asa bia na akwaje bosia. Every 3 months from 2017 to 2020. Every year, Ken Ofori Atta, every quarter be an okoji eurobond. Because okoji a or one share. Now brosaka we nyina na digu ho.
Ono ye finance minister no. Now ono ni data bank. And a year financial advisor to a year bond, omko euro bond, ekwa jiska, ono ni data bank. No,
and a financial advisor.
Yeah. The insurance enterprise or insurance cover.
Insurance cover.
Yeah.
Now we are not Gabby, a law firm. I'm a legal advisor. So most 2%.
By no sisa data bank Gyamfi nyina do begu Minister of Finance. Ken Ofori Atta. Yes, so timu fanya obusum kune. Onku. Setekpe be ye finance minister for 4 years. Setekpe 8 years of NDC NPP otikroma ye.
No do so benya.
Ube huni de bia na ne traza kakraka ya.
Yeah. What dey kro no.
Ne traza kakraka o na ekro no. Dr. Kwabena Agyapong
otikroma ya.
Ebe ye finance minister. 8 years under Akufo. 8 years under Akufo Addo. What Ghana he?
Debi o. Ami yandam. Eya o kasa no. Obi aba ni fie.
Obi anko ni fie.
Wa mani finance minister ni bi.
Yes, obi anko ni fie.
Obi aba fie. Wa nya hwe no, obi aba busu asem.
Na ade a aye me dia. Se NPP for Sergeant Papa no mutirimu a. NPP as a political party combat distance or move from Ken Ofori Atta. But because a criminal organization intino and act of serious stupidity intino or man rupium na NPP as a political party will pay dearly. Whether Ken Ofori Atta so be bow that accountability. MPP as a political party will face that accountability 2028.
So also more change say NDC be unpopular.
You see, we finance minister for 6-7 good years are running away from accountability. Who momu Jenny say ma o ma Emma be facing accountability. Why take it and Akufo Addo be president MPP? Abambe na mark no Ofori appointment NPP. Brand association, whether you like it or not, Ken Ofori Atta MPP, one of their pioneers and also leading member. And Tidobeye Biano was direct effect consequences on the MPP. But na be clear. We my friend is a papa also pay MPP. Former MP Subin also pay
Eugene Entry.
We will not pay our call for Ken.
So Omra
Obi akabi as a Ken member. My man me face accountability. Na Ghana for any MPP for nimbonia Ken Ofori Atta edia. Kaba this time kranka bia meka che say, ka say enka American embassy kura nka yenko tutum na yendi mane so momfa Ken Ofori Atta me ansa ne abie. Wodi nipa bone. Wodi o man Ghana bone. Woye wudi ni timodenfo a monsam kura hu Ken Ofori Atta na ne yemu ahye no. Say, hey, where the man am de bone buy, but with why ya what trap?
What the ama me feel?
Where the ama me ankasa mu antwiri me. Na dey na why? Yes, bra. Special prosecutor na investigating. What Ghana ha? The moment I won some people Lucia na pa udwane. Who you sue state because I don't know so influence. Na the free Ghana koe. Yes, bra. SML. What's the contract no? Emu fine.
BBI okay.
BBI okay. Yes okay. Brother be chire mu. Eni ama man ye okay. National can say cathedral. What's the payment na make here no? Genuine. 97 million Ghana cedis, taxpayers' money, were committed to digging this hole. Yes, okay. Branebe chire yemu. A kwanya ufa aswa will make those payments. We say womba. Na gabby eti Ghana ha. No gabby ati mienya kukudro. Afa phone afre Victor Smith. Ghana bana musini ewo Washington ka kire ni say Ken Ofori Atta di osuro se oba Ghana ha de wi a ebesi aye no no eninti na oye enti somehow no he was trying to convince Victor Smith now on shield Ken Ofori Atta more involving himself in the process a be extraditing the naba na oma because Ken Ofori Atta or a special gift to worry. Ken Ofori Atta a special chain a year wound to me. Where special chain a sibe. Where special chain a year a dubuahin. Where special chain MPP for a mufesi trial and prosecution. And intima womba. Forgetting the omedi on political opponent NDC. Now NDC foi adia ba ko so mu hunu say whether you like it or not 2028 election eniama Ghana fo be gina so decide whether to retain NDC or not no this Ken Ofori Atta any accountability and ora no edimuntenteman yes Petrobuako from Ghana fo be so atoaba. They say Ghana nyina da no construction site. Ye yi akwan Ghana fo be so ato aba. Enyuma aban bie Ghana fo be so ato aba. Enuane ayefo Ghana fo be so ato aba. Sanso so na ye ka sei empuntu a Ghana ni bia tire ni ahunu bia be so ato aba. Nemom accountability ade hu nyanti Ghana fo be so ato aba. Without accountability enkame ana Christopher nkenu kwasiada emo bia entunsi asoro dem say or the nisika a wa bra ye anya adwuma o ma bu 10% kwa akoto asore futuo mu for tight senya kuntabu a kakramoni on chiri ni yamukom for 30 good days awo mreko a ne yiri tonto zafe kramoni kwonchi ne yamu kom emfa kom nya adwuma wia enka nantwie mreko nim nantwi nam se de ne desi etie nanso akuntabu onim se daati bia no owu a we district bia nyankopɔ bubu naten eni ntina Christopher nkramofo obia bɔ ne bra onim se daati bubu hu akunta sanso na be ya ban adwumani a wo ye dane a obebu akunta Akufo Addo he did it Ken Ofori Atta na me diga na sika over $1 million makuru associate si enkonkoye forensic audit they spent over $10 million say omo investigating Mahama 230 Ayekoko Rose contract they spent over $10 million na wo wa wie na si bra bebu akunta wo wa dwane na afe NPP fo mum na ebo tidom se memma me de mahu ene de matie Ken Ofori Atta kosoro ba fom obaba Ghana Ken Ofori Atta na mo ka se yentimi se bia entra na absentia special prosecutor enyo no kwa Ken Ofori Atta and I think says others ya read o mo charges a case o ma sha ase di asem no it doesn't stop anything. But there are several issues that Ken Ofori Atta involved and Ukraine maye. Enti Ken Ofori Atta ompel ni furu kura de beba Ghana ba bedi nasem. Matese se o se omo manentina ho na minim se TV ade so ege eni ntino ba Ghana ase Ghana for de ye mpegi asem. Enti no ami hu na tade na ehye no na me say
yes, it might be something trivial, but again it the oye.
Okay.
Again it the say if you know hu ade kure wo adisade ni me ye omo desa no.
Okay. So yege a eni onu ankasa ni fi so okay. Dodo na yege omo te Ghana. Obi amfa banko bo obi atrimu. Se oyege. Na dia wo se Ghana fo hu ni se. Ken Ofori Atta enyi ni pasron kunchen obi a. Wo mo a edo mo gina prosecution and Akufo. Sabre Akufo Addo na ya attorney general. Obonfo timi kase Akufo versus Tetwichi Kata. Dini tu mu no. Eno kura cha chukura na asem wo dibe mu no ene court ya pepa ni di kwa free court katam ya dini tu. Enti Ken Ofori Atta nyu bi sronko omra. So obeda fiase no wawu a nye weni de di nkan. Ne papa no e finance minister ma Akufo Addo papa. Omo bo obesia sa ma Ghana e bankrupt. And after several years Akufo Addo be president. And Ofori Atta so ba be finance minister bio. History repeating itself. The same family no more fa. Okoda fiase no wu ye. Ti Ken Ofori Atta kono okoda fiase no wu a. E history now repeating itself.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.